So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin, maybe the next Popcat, maybe next Simmons cat, and is it also possible that we can see major central exchange listing soon, just like KuCoin, Bybit, Crypto.com, Binance, and Coinbase also? Because as you can see, it's already market $198 million market. It's $5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome performance from this meme coin. Hasbula Cadges name, Brusk symbol. $0.2 current price, it dropped almost 11% here. So this is good that dump we can buy this meme coin low price. 1 billion coin supply all in circulation. This is awesome. And Solana ecosystem meme coin, so you can see Solana ecosystem meme coin, Cat meme coin, Solana ecosystem. We have 41% down the install time high. That was on 17th November, $0.33, and its all time low 3 days ago. Within just 3 days of its launching, this meme coin is 1400% pump. So this is amazing. I like killed 1-0. Okay, within just 3 days of launching, this meme coin has killed 1-0 and 1400% up the install time low. So I think this meme coin is very amazing. That its performance is awesome in last 3 days. You can see these are these Solana dexes where this meme coin is listed, but and XT.com, MEX exchange, CoinX, and BitGet has also listed this meme coin. These exchanges are still not updated here on CoinGecko. I can see friends now MEXC is added here. Okay, MEXC is added. CoinX is also listed. Meme coin BitGet is listed. So within just few hours of its launching, or we can say with this just few days of its launching, this meme coin has performed amazing. Okay, and you can check out all further details here. You can see friends on X 16,000 followers. Okay, 16,000 followers. This is awesome. You can see community is very active. 1 hour ago they have posted that this meme coin is going to list on, you can see listing on Group X and other central exchange where this meme coin is going to list. So it's the central exchange listing are continue here. You can see many other major central exchange is coming for soon this meme coin. Friends, you can check out all further details there. 37,000 holders. So this is awesome. Okay, number of holders good. And these are top 50 wallets. They are holding this meme coin. I will show you here. When I'm clicking here on holders, so these are the top wallets. They are holding this meme coin. You can see number one wallet has 1.8% of supply. MEX exchange has 1% of supply, and these all wallets has less than 1% of supply. So this is good. There's no any value issue here. But friends, I definitely think we can see major central exchange listing soon, because recently MEXC has added here, XT.com has added here, CoinX is added here, maybe BitGet can also list this meme coin, UX is listing this meme coin. So central exchange listing are continue here. And reference I can see when I refresh this meme coin, its market cap is $221 million. So this is awesome. The last 24-hour trading volume is $52 million. So this is awesome. And now my price prediction about meme coin is that, as this another Cathy meme coin on Solana chain, so this is awesome. And a little $221 million market cap. So friends, I think in next year mega billion, definitely this meme coin can do amazing, and we can see its market cap in $1 billion also, because within just 4 days of its launching, this meme coin is 1400% pumped here. A little 1-0 listed on 4 5 central exchanges already. So it's still lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So when it will be listed on all other central exchanges, then definitely we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. As possible in short term, we can see its price up to $1 here. But in long term, maybe 8 to 10 months from now, in next year mega bullion, okay, in October 2025, maybe this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market meme coin, and we can see its Binance listing also at that time. What's your price prediction about meme coin? You can must comment down below. Do you think this meme coin can be the next Popcat, can be listing on Binance exchange, and can be the next $1 billion market meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.